side strip of that connection. So when you say connection, that will include everything. No? So you have your bolts in this case, or welding, okay? And then you also need to consider the tension member and as well as the gasket plate. So but for this example, no, we will just focus on the bolts. And then for the tension member, including the gasket plates, okay, kabalon, magwato. So you have your, so this is yielding, your rupture, you will this way, no? For rupture, okay. And then for block shear, so plate Malaysia, you have 3 modes of failure for the block shear for plates. So first mode is hindi magisi, laos din. Second mode is pabaliktad, tubangha, or isa easy. Just to recap lang. Ito na ba? Block shear, or last month kung ito discuss. And then you also investigate for the block shear. So sa block shear, murang isa lang. Hindi lang siya naka-square. No? You will have to go there na. Okay. Gawas kung kuyang ikay. In this case, mas include man si gasket plate versus the tension member. So most likely, isa pero you have to observe also na mas likod tuon, pero mas nipis compare natin. You have to solve na natin to be sure. Okay. Ang question na lang kayo, saan mas likod? Welding or bolt? Or what if i-bolt na to, sir, that i-welding pa rin? No? Sa mga encounter wala, so kaya siya napagigyan. So solution na gano'n is usually kung makabotan siya, pwede na po na overkill na tayo. Anyway, so let's proceed to the bolts, and then for bolts we need to investigate the shear failure of our bolts. Ito dapat duha ra kita plate, so sura, and then ito mabalik sa din yung minsan. So we have to investigate for the shear of the bolts, and then we also have to determine the bearing or investigate the bearing of the plate. So when you say bearing, duha na sa kabot, no? You have your shear tear out, easy, and your hole deformation. Mga luwang o paano? Mawang-wang. Mawang-wang. Hindi siya loose thread. Ay, ang loose thread. Kaya bolt man na siya, di ba? May thread. Ang loose thread kay mawala siya. Sige siguro sa kanao, sige ba tao, ang bitawang ukso ninyo pagkuhan. So, kini mawala. Mo na ma-loose thread. Okay? Loose thread. So, kini is mawang-wang siya. So, mawang-wang. Kira nito, magkakabang pa. Nag-bisa na linking processor na dako. So, we are going to investigate kung asan siya okay, no, sa shear tear out ba or sa hole deformation for this connection, and then also for the shear of the bolts. Okay? By the way, the bolts are using for the 20 mm K306 gani FY sa PO7. 330 euro. Share of votes. We have Rn equals F NG times the area of the vote. So it's called ACV. And for FNV, you have your stress, which is 165. Shear stress. Shear stress na siya for your bolt, which is 165. 165 newtons per square millimeter multiplied by the area of your bolt. That's 5/4 times 20 and then square. Okay. Pila.
51.84.
51.84. 84 newtons EN.
EN.
EN. Okay. Which means RU it's the same sa welding ng 0.75. So for connections, ang reduction factor is 0.75 regardless if it's weld or gold weld. RU is 0.75 of 51.84. Pero, upat man sila ka buhok. Okay, so this is times 4. Hindi naman mag-times 4 pero yung una
155.52.
so that is 155.52.
155.52.
This one is for 4 volts. Okay, RU or the design strength of our mackables is 155.52 for the entire 4 volts. Okay, this one of the arrow, this is the number of for this shear on bolts, and then we will see what about the bearing of the plates. In this case na ato lang. We will investigate mo siguro okay. We're looking for the design strength of the connection. So let's go first for the one for the we have our shear clear out. Shear clear out for our plates. I mean tension member. Tension member. Or ako na lang importante rin na for the plate 12 by 150. After we do that, so for the shear tear out, okay. So equation is Rn equals to 1.2 times
LC plus F.
LC. LC abay? LC. T.
FU.
FU na yun. So, FU niya siya sa anim. Limit sa katong sa volt. Yeah. So, namin email yan. That's 36. Anay limit ba? Limit. So, it should not be
2.4
greater than 2.4 of LC. How pala? B?
D sir.
B, ano?
D sir.
D? Sorry.
Yes.
BP
FU.
times FU Japan. So D is the limit is your depth. So this is the diameter of bolt. Limit siya sa depth. So this one is for the thickness of the tension member, which is in this case this one 12. And FU also of course is the PNC A36. What about LC? What is this? LC is the clear spacing of bolt. Clear spacing of clear spacing of bolt. Bolt lang? Wala na yun. Pag-minawal na sa tumoy. Tumoy dito. Basta clear spacing. Kasi na LC. So let's define na lang. Asa na si LC based on our diagram yesterday. Asa na ba ito siya? Masen na malapit ito, no? It's on slide it's on slide 23. Alin na lang utang na. So LC daw is
unit kasama ka na.
wala nang nakatuan. Your air for here. LC is by definition this here, patulong din is tumoy sa that's your LC. Okay, by definition. And then based on the kung sa tuloy, LC na siya dyan. If in between, this is also your LC. So that's the tuloy yun sa inyong pangangin. Okay. And what else? We have LE, not like LE, so that's the edge distance. End distance. Anyway, so this is 20 mm bolt, no? And then since ato maning buslutan, we're going to put an allowance of 2 mm. Kasi na yan basta bangagan. Tama siya nagiging mo pila ibangan. So it's just assume, no? 2 mm ang ato. Okay? So, what's LC? If this is 37.5 daw ni siya, ilabot what about this one? 32.5?
Yes, sir.
This one down is from the center of the bolt, it's 32.5 mm. And then this one are 20 plus 2 mm, no? Na 1 volts. Okay. What's LC? LC now is gawa man ka LC, no? So let's call this LC1 and LC. For LC1, so given 32.5, no? 32.5 minus 20 plus 2 over 2. 21.5. We're going to use that to line for our yes. What about the second one? What we have your C2. We have what's the given here? 75. 75 mm. So 75 mm minus 20 plus 2. What? Okay lang. 53 point. 53 lang. 53 millimeter. Okay. So, what do we do with this? Now, this bolt here is having the same distance, no? This also. So, we will consider this as our outer bolts. So let's just label this as bolt number 1. And then this one here is bolt number 2. And then after this one, we will consider also bolt number 3 and also bolt number 4. Okay, so for bolts 1 and 2. Will have Rn is equals to 1.2 times what's LC? That's 21.5 times thickness of our plate. 12 mm. 12 times Fu, which is 248. Huh? 248? 400. 400. And FU money. And we have an 836 plate. So what's the value of that? Equals
123.84. Divide 1,080 naman.
Sila.
123.84.
123.84. KN ano yun?
KN.
Okay. So for the individual bolts, you have 123.84. So i-add na siya, sir. Yes, i-add na siya umiyak. I-add na siya. Okay. So for bolts 1 and 2, our consideration is mag-isip siya in B. Ini ang mag-isip. Here up. Siya ang mag-isip. So that's for the here up. Now, in this equation from our EDCP, the first term here is for here up. And then, ini yung limiting value here is for the whole deformation. Okay, so for the whole deformation, we are just going to compute that value. So, sa tawagin na R max. The value of that is 2.4, or the equation that is 2.4 D. That's the diameter of bolt, so that's 20. So wala na siya allowance, sir. Wala na siya allowance because this is now the bolt itself. So 20. So wala na siya allowance. And then what's next? Thickness of our plate. And then the FU of our plate.
230.4.
230.4.
KN.
230.4. That's 4 bolts, 1 and 2. What about for the other bolts? For bolts 3 and 4. So RN, you can call this now 3 port, if you like. So for the tear out,
1.2.
so you will have this LC here, no? Hindi siya mahisig. Yan yung isi yung tibagin. Dinaw na siya dito. So yan yung isi yan. Di ara taman. Kung di naman taman, sir, uslot naman yun. So, di ara gitaman niya. Uslot naman siya daan sa ako. Okay, so you have your 1.2 times
53.0
times 12 times
400.
400.
Siya times 2.
905.1.
305?
Saka times 2. Saka times 2.
305.28.
Ah. Wala man yung times 2 ang 53.
This is EN. No? And then for the tear out, you have RN max
Okay, then.
34 equals to
230.
2.4 times 20 times 12. Murang yapon, the same na.
230.4.
Times 400. It's still the same. It's 230.4.
Sure, LCD.
Okay.
Wala ka times 2.
So, what do we do with that? So, ato na siya i-total, no? Ang iya mga critical na values. Okay. For tear out, the critical is 1, 2, 3, or 3 o 5?
Kina natin.
It's a my critical. 1, 2, 3, 0.84 or 305?
1, 2, 3.
Ang dali na nga ang sa
1, 2, 3, sir.
Ang 1, 2, 3. Okay?
0.84.
For please look at the presentation. So nakikibutang the at slide 22. Nakita na niyo slide 22? Slide 22. I mean, yeah, 22. Slide 22 sa voltage connection niya power. Kita niyo, slide 22 na yung naka-box din sa lower right corner. For connections, the bearing resistance shall be taken as the sum of the bearing resistances of the individual bolts. Okay, so again for bearing, we have tear up and for our hole deformation. So for the entire one, for the entire bearing, I mean, sorry, hindi siya shared dito. Bearing yun eh. Panasa lang. So, bearing. Kaya ito lang dilisan. We have our tear out and our hole deformation. Bearing. Yes. man eh. So, dili ka tataman. So, hindi siya pwede ka 230 lang. Okay. So, 230, mas dako pa yapon siya sa 120. So, mo critical pa yapon niya siya. Okay. So, that's a good question, actually. So, asa na ka? So, for the bearing, for the RM total na ka. We have 2 times 1, 2, 3. So, ang kabog na siya, no? So, 123.84. Plus, duha ka 230.4. Bigas na. 708.48. RU is equals to? Ano po yung sabihin lang?
531.36.
531.36. Yeah, 531.36. So this is now for the for 4 volts pero sa plate. Okay. And so far, what's the critical? Critical is much smaller, no? Between the plates and the bolts. So 531. And then sa shearing by 155. So this means that okay sa bolts ang inyong connection so far. Katakabalo sa gasket plate. So we have to investigate also for the gasket plate. Okay. So for the gasket plate, it's the same, no? You will have your bearing there, and then you know you're going to investigate both the pin out and all the positions. So let's go. So that you have your bolt there. Time si number 1, magyapon na siya, bolt number 2, bolt number 3, and then bolt number 4. So pagpira na dito, bolt number 3 and 4 will have this clear out. And then si 1 and 2 this time, hindi na po. So magbaylo sila. Diretso na nato, sir, may baylo naman. Lahi naman ni siyang thickness. No? Lahi po siya o FU. Because this one is A992 naman is, and FU is ilan?
64.
Or ano ito? 448, no? 448. So for tear out, we have Rn. Ako na ito sa Rn is equals to or bolt. Kini wala na ito tingnas doon. Rn the same ra ba yan LC? LC is the same. Fortunately for this, dili siya receive 32.5 man ini guy 7.5. So we have to recalculate our LC for the outer edge. Our MC this time is LC. So that's 37.5. 37.5 minus 12.5. 20 plus 2 over ilan?
26.5. 26.5.
26.
26, sir.
26.
26. So, how about the other one? It's the same na?
Yes, sir.
The same na siya na LC. So this one here is that one na?
75.
53.
53.
Okay, so for our end, for the balls 3 and 4, we have for the tear out, we have 1.2 by
26.5.
so that's it.
36.5.
26.5 times thickness of 9 times 4 that
128.22.
128 point
22.
22 TN, and then for the deformation we have max 4, so that's 2.4 times diameter no?
Yes, sir.
Times
Thickness.
the thickness 9 times
SU.
and you get for 40
193.54. 3.54.
193.54
54.
BI. Yeah, so maximum ni okay, so okay na siya no? But for RN what's that? 1.2 times 20 sorry, it's 53 times 9 times 448 was 256 point 44 TN, and then for the max I think it's the same. Same lang?
Same na, sir.
The same max. The same max therefore RN max 44 and for 1 2. So it's the same, it's 190 point. So ini pwede sa kuman. Deliver naman ito din. So 190. So for the bearing for gasket plate, kaya ako isulat na. Bearing for gasket Rn is equals to duha ka
128.
128 point
22.
half 128.22
22.
plus
190. 193. 54.
Ila? Ito na lang siya i-multiply sa 1.75. Ito na lang siya i-75.
482.64.
482.64 PM. So, sa ilang tulo, kinsa ang magisi ang fail. So, si Bones, no? Si upat sila kabuo. Huwag yan. How about kung unong siya kabol? Gagir na duha.
Tama.
Pila yan.
Sorry, 133.
233. So, fail yapon. Para mo equal, nadali ka nilugang. So, maambak na ito siya sa inyong gasket plate. So, ang solusyon na is inyong impisan ang strength sa bolt or ang diameter. Kaso lang, pag increase yung diameter, pausap ko 3. Para okay, mausap na niyang baka. So, the logical choice is to increase the strength dapat. Or, isa na lang din si plate para limited maka usually yun sa bolt. Sabi na yung kuwara itong baligyan, 7 na. Okay, choice. Okay? So far, sa ilang tulo, fail yun si bolts. Let's try to see, no, kung fail ba si tension member or yielding. Pwede rin kaso.
Natin.
For yielding, balik na din yun. Sa akin PN is equal to
FY
PG. So FY is 248 times gross area of 12 by 150. Gani ang Q natin sa PU is equal to 0.9 times 0.9 times 0.9.
401.76.
400. So, di siya bukay sa yielding. Masubok din ang pulina. For rupture, we have PU equals to FU na no?
FUA.
448 times our net area. Net area is your gross area 12 by 150 minus 2 ka
Gold.
2 ka 20 plus 2
Times thickness.
no? Times the thickness.
Yes, sir.
Thickness natin times 150. Okay? Times U na 1. This is our U. 1 siya because equal na. So, it will give the same expression over. So, times 0.75 for the reduction factor. Hello? 75 for the reduction. Ilan? This one here is your EN. Where? 15. 150. Sorry, this one is thickness na yun. Area na.
12 lang, sir.
12 kahit 1 na sa kasira. This is 150. This one is your 12. So 12 times 150. 150. 20. Ano mo? Thickness siya dapat. This is just 1.
427.39, sir.
4
27.39.
427.
Oo.
427.39.
0.35. 39.
39. For the black share, kamo na, next one. So far sa gold switch siya okay.
0.39.
So meaning, if na natin applied loads, it cannot exceed the 155.55 na PU. So dito lagi mo tama. So 155. Wala naman mo na po ako. Okay, mali ang pulse. Direct tama. So the critical is critical. PU critical. PU critical is 155.55 PM. And this is for shear of force. So if your dead load and life load will exceed that value there, so inadequate. Okay? Questions? Yeah. So wala kayo kung at the beginning, kung pagsugod nila ito, so far to as a type of yield and capture. Abot ako sa black share, yun ito puno na ko. Yun na ito nga, actually, apit pa tayo ng mga plates, ang plastic plates, and then, kaupat tayo is your connection, si bolts or si weld.